Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Autistic Reborn Mommy's Rainbow Special Nursery. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being subscribed to it as well. I post daily videos of my babies and they are all special needs as well. They all are autistic. They're on the autism spectrum. They all have learning disabilities and other problems as well. And let's get on with the video, guys. We are here with Owen. He has brown painted on hair. He has a white half onesie on that's long sleeve that has a reindeer on it that says "My First Christmas." And he has the husky that is gray and white with blue eyes and black on the outer part of the ears. And we are also here with August. He has brown hair. That's a mess because he doesn't like to have his hair brushed. He has brown eyes. He has on a blue sleeper that has a little bear that looks like Paddington, and it has little blocks on it that says ABC. He has the kitty cat that is pink with white on it, and it has pink, orange, purple, and yellow spots on it with green eyes with glitter and green inside the ears as well. And they're having loads of fun just sitting here on the floor playing. They've just been having a relaxing day today. And they're super excited for the weather to be nice to go outside and play. And they do have a cough, and the sad part is all the babies have a cough, but they've been getting cough drops and cough syrup to help with that, and they just cannot wait to play outside on the swing and the trampoline. And they also can't wait for their bed to come. And of course, I will show you guys their bed. It was supposed to be a Mickey Mouse bed, but I switched it to a different bed. You guys will see it when it comes. And yeah, plus, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It is 1,000% free. And make sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Then click all to get notified every time we're live and post a video. We do daily videos with all of the babies. And Leon and Lane are just sitting in their rocking chair playing in it. And yes, Leon loves to hold his little brother Lane. They have actually gotten close, but we'll get to that in a different video. But those were the little bit of updates. Plus, when the next baby comes home, there will be a live stream, of course. And I hope that you all will join us for the box opening. And then we will do up a video of just that one there. And please guess who you think it is, a boy or a girl. You won't find out when it's home. Also, they will be having picnics outside once the weather is nice as well. They didn't want their toys anymore, and my dog has decided to join us, and he is just relaxing with the babies, aren't you? Relaxing with the babies? Relaxing with the babies, handsome? But yeah, they're just enjoying playing on the floor and having all kinds of fun. And also, there will be lots of fun to come and new changes as well. But we just gotta hold off until then. And we are going to do a video of organizing their clothes and everything and getting more organization with that. And it will be in a live stream as well, and it will be titled "Getting Organized with the Baby's Clothes." And get some of you to where you want to join us in organizing your baby's clothes. Also, they don't want their binkies because they never really wanted them. And the main one that always wants his binky is Lane. But that's pretty much the end of the video. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Please remember to be you, do what makes you happy, as long as you're not hurting yourself or others. Please pray for everybody that's struggling with mental health, battling cancer, fighting sickness, everybody that's been affected by snow, hurricanes, and floods. And remember to be you, do what makes you happy, as long as you're not hurting yourself or others. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and this shout out's good to everybody.